Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
The investigation into possible TB exposure was prompted after the acting medical examiner performed an autopsy on a patient.
The autopsy was done by Dr. Dotterman, and when the autopsy was done, he suspected that the patient had TB. He took a specimen, a slide, so that he would route it to the pathologist to confirm whether or not it is an active TB case, and it came back to be positive. While this was occurring, of course, the firemen were at route, were providing support during this accident. And so the firemen were they heard about it, and so they called our office, our TB program, to inquire about the patient, the victim that passed away. Unfortunately, they gave us a wrong name, so the information didn't come out correctly.
According to Public Health Director Linda DeNorcy, the medical examiner was performing an autopsy on a patient with staff, police, a student, and a visiting Saipanese pathologist present. The ME expressed concerns about the hospital and Public Health's failure to notify him that the patient was diagnosed with TB, because had he known, he would have prepared by wearing the proper protective gear.
Because of this, of course, we take it very seriously. And so what we want to make known is that when we heard about this whole incident, we took measures in regards to getting in contact with the chief of the captain of the fire department, and we have launched so that we can meet with them and the team that was involved in this whole incident.
For now, DeNorcy confirms that tests will be conducted on those who might have been exposed.
Now, of course, we want to make certain that they're all safe, and not only are we looking at the fire department and the team that responded to this car accident, but we're also looking at the medical examiner and the team that was involved in this autopsy. And what we're going to do, we're also going to be meeting with Dr. Dotterman this coming Friday and doing an initial assessment with the TB program and the head of the CDC investigator that is housed here within our Department of Public Health to provide technical assistance with us. And we will be providing not only the initial examination and interview, we're also going to be launching the whole environmental scan of the area where the autopsy was performed.
DeNorcy's team will identify if the bacteria is present in the area, and should the results come back positive, their next step will be to test the exposed individuals for TB. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Julius Santos.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.